like how it works and
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
So okay. Let me just share my
Oh,
screen.
oh, okay.
Hope my screen is visible, right?
Yeah, it's visible.
Mm.
It's clear.
Yeah. So today we'll just discuss about introduction to ServiceNow. What is ServiceNow? Okay. So and why we need
Okay.
it and all. So today our agenda is introduction and what is ServiceNow and benefits of
Okay.
ServiceNow. So we have some benefits, right? So we'll discuss about
Okay.
it. And why ServiceNow? And then who
Okay.
uses the ServiceNow? Who will use the ServiceNow? And for every technology, like for everything, we have products, right? Like the same way. So we have products
Yeah.
in ServiceNow. And then next is who can learn ServiceNow. And then for ServiceNow, we need foundation course. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
What is first, what is ServiceNow? So ServiceNow
Yeah.
is nothing but it's a software platform. Okay.
Okay.
It provides a platform that supports ITSM. Okay. ITSM is nothing
Okay.
but IT service management. Okay.
Oh,
And
okay.
it
Yeah.
automates the common business processes. So common
Okay.
business process means, for example, think that you are a new employee. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
if there is any new employee, what all requirements we have? There will be some requirements, right, for a new employee.
Yeah.
What things will be needed? For
Hello. Yeah.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. What all things will be required for a new employee?
ID, like employee ID,
Yes. Employee ID,
and
laptop, a charger, right? Access.
laptop charger, access.
Yes. And like, so to like, for suppose if you are a new employee and you need all these things, so if there is no
Yeah.
service, no platform in your organization, so what they generally do, they may put some mail, right? So, and they will write
Oh, yeah.
mail to some IT service desk team and they will ask for the, this is a Maithil is new joinee and we need all these things and all. Like,
Oh, okay.
they will see the mail like later, right? So they will see it will take time,
Yeah.
right? So see
Yeah.
what is happening. The time is like more. We require more time to process that. Instead of that,
Yes.
so if we have a process, okay, in ServiceNow we have
Mm.
something called as catalog system. Okay, so
Okay.
we use that catalog, and if you raise a request, okay, on behalf of Maithili,
Yeah.
directly a request will be raised, and it will be directly assigned to some service desk team or some other team. Okay, and
Okay.
what they will do, they
Yeah.
will work on it. Okay,
Okay.
this is
Yeah.
this is one of the example like how we use ServiceNow in corporate world or real life. Okay,
Okay.
so this is a
Yeah.
platform as a service. So what is a platform as a service? It provides us the platform, and whatever
Oh,
we need, so we can build in ServiceNow. Okay,
okay.
so suppose
Okay.
if you want any new application, you can launch an application in ServiceNow. Okay,
Okay.
Everything we can do in ServiceNow, and it's
Okay.
found in 2003 by Fred Luddy and his team. And it is
Okay.
headquartered in Santa Clara, California. So headquarters of ServiceNow is in Santa Clara. Okay, but in India we have two. Okay, so one is in
Okay.
Hyderabad, one is in Bangalore. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And next is the benefits of ServiceNow. So till now we have discussed what is ServiceNow. Okay, so
Yes. Yeah.
and ServiceNow we have some benefits. So we have other competitors as well for ServiceNow like Maximo, and we have a
Oh,
BMC Remedy and all. You might be heard of BMC Remedy. Okay, but
yes.
we have
Uh,
some other benefits over them. Okay, so first is hosted in
oh,
the cloud. So everything we access in ServiceNow is through cloud. You need not to install
oh,
anything on your laptop. Okay.
okay.
So there will be something called as instance. Okay, you just need to sign up first
Mm.
and then you need to sign in. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So everything is hosted in the cloud. Next is based on ITIL. So ServiceNow is using some ITIL principles, IT infrastructure library principles. Okay, based
Okay.
on the
Okay. Yeah.
principles, everything in ServiceNow is working.
Okay.
Next is customizable. Customizable is nothing but suppose if you are working in some organization, okay, they are using ServiceNow.
Yeah.
Okay, they
Okay.
need some logo. Okay, in the ServiceNow
Mm.
user interface, for example, this is the interface, user interface. So here, for
Okay.
example, if they need the logo, okay,
Okay.
we can customize that. Okay, they can put their own company
Oh,
logo. They can put their own theme. They can put their own style.
okay.
Okay, so we can do however we want. We can customize the instance as well.
Okay.
Next is data
Okay.
confidentiality and integrity. So data confidentiality and integrity is nowadays we can see there are so many corruption, means data corruptions, and there are so
Yeah, yeah.
cyber related things and all, right? So here, as we have
Yes.
a lot of data in service now, so we need to take care about our data confidentiality and then integrity.
Yes.
So data confidentiality and integrity is nothing but here how it maintained in ServiceNow. So it is maintained through some ACLs. We have something called as access controls.
Okay.
And then we have something called as SecOps, security operations. So through that,
Okay.
we can confidential our data and we can put the integrity as well. Next,
Okay.
improved operational tracking. So there will be continuous tracking. For example, if you raise a request for laptop, so you can track that whether
Yeah.
it is in transit or is there some issue or something else. So you will be
Okay.
having a flow where you can check where it is exactly.
Okay.
Next is continuity of service. So continuity means so it will be available. The service now, like as we have incident management, we have something called as incident management, change management. So there will be
Yeah.
24/7 service will be available.
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
on-demand ITSM. So nowadays, most of the companies are using ITSM. Okay.
ITS.
This is
Okay.
ITSM. That is IT service
Okay.
management. Okay.
Okay.
Customer self-service. So customer self-service is nothing but suppose, for example, you have some issue with your phone or your SIM. So then what you do, you call first, you try to do on your own, right? You try to
Yes.
resolve on your own.
Yes.
If it is not resolving, then you'll go to some store or somewhere customer care, you'll call and you'll ask,
Yes.
right? Like the same way,
Yes.
for example, you are a new joinee. So you
Yeah.
have some issue with your laptop or with your access card or something. So first what you'll do, you'll try to do on your own by using some
Yes.
articles or some SOPs. So in
Yes.
ServiceNow, we have something called as articles, knowledge articles.
Okay.
You can go through that and you can
Okay.
do on your own. Okay.
Okay.
So even though if it is not resolving, then you'll raise the incident or you'll raise some other task. Okay, so that is
Okay.
nothing but customer self-service. Next is powerful
Oh.
reporting. So powerful reporting is nothing but, so in ServiceNow, if you want to create a report, if you want to create a dashboard, you can do that. So it is a powerful
Oh.
reporting tool as well.
Okay.
Okay? And who can learn ServiceNow? So there are no prerequisites to learn ServiceNow. Anyone can learn ServiceNow. But if you have some programming knowledge, so
No.
it will be helpful. Okay.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
next is how it works in real life. How the
Okay.
ServiceNow instance will work in real life. For example,
Okay.
think that there is a user in an organization and he is having some Outlook issue. So what he do? So once he have issue, so he'll try to rectify on his own. Like he will try to do on different browsers. Try to open the Outlook in
Yeah.
different browser in the Outlook app itself. Okay, even though if it is not working, then what he will do? He will try to report an issue. That issue is
Oh.
nothing we call as an incident.
Incident.
Yes.
Okay.
So he will report an issue that becomes an incident. Now what team
Okay.
will do? Team will notice whether everyone is having the
Mm.
issue. Okay. Every user means
Yeah.
others
Okay.
also having the issue. Only that particular user, Maithili, is having the issue. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose think
Yeah.
that everyone is having the issue. Most of the people having the issue with the Outlook. Then what they do?
Okay.
They will try to create a problem. Problem means so we try to find the root cause. Root cause
Okay.
from the application end, not from the user.
Application.
Okay,
Okay.
not from the user end. So here we'll
Okay.
create a problem. Okay, and we'll
Okay.
add all these incidents to that problem. And now the
Okay.
team will try to find the root cause. What exactly the root cause? Is it the issue with the Microsoft itself? Or what exactly
Okay.
the issue they'll try to find? If anything
Okay.
needed, a change is created. Okay, so change is nothing
Okay.
but if something need to be moved to production, so we should have
Mm.
something called as a change request. Okay, so that
Okay.
change is created, okay, to resolve that problem
Mm.
if needed. Okay, So
Okay.
once that is created, we'll move that change to production and we'll try
O-
review it and we'll implement it, we'll review it. Okay. So once everything is
Okay.
completed, then a problem will be resolved and automatically all the incidents will be resolved.
Eh, Closed. Okay.
Yes. So this is a small example how the ServiceNow is using in real life.
Okay.
Next is this is a ServiceNow user interface. So first we have something
Okay.
called as banner frame. Okay, so here this is
Okay.
banner.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the application navigator. This is the content frame.
Okay.
So banner is nothing
Okay.
but the top one is called as a banner, and
Okay.
application navigator is where all our applications, everything will be there here in the application navigator.
Oh, okay.
And then this is a content frame where the content will be displayed. All the like suppose if I open some incident or if I open some problem,
Mm,
all the content will be displayed here.
okay.
Yeah. So this is one more example. For example, if there is a user, okay, and he is having
Mm,
breakdown issue. So now what he
okay.
will do, breakdown of his phone, okay, landline or
Yeah.
phone something. So he will report an incident. So first, what the team will do, team will
Yeah.
assess to whom this should be assigned. Is it to some software team or hardware team? Okay, they will assign to correct team, and the correct team
Okay.
will investigate, try to investigate. So once they
Okay.
investigate, they will resolve the incident.
Okay.
Yeah. So as we are discussing about ITSM, right? So in
Yeah.
ServiceNow, ITSM, we have some core applications. One is
Oh,
incident, problem, change, catalog, and configuration. Okay, these
okay.
all we'll discuss in the future classes about what is
Oh,
incident, problem, and all. Okay, these are the
okay.
core applications in ITS.
Okay.
And as for every technology, we have releases, right? Like ServiceNow
Ye-
also, we have releases. Like Java has Java 14, Java 8, Java 11, right? So ServiceNow
Yeah.
also has different versions, like London, Madrid, okay, New York. So these all are
Okay.
names of after the like famous cities, like Paris,
Famous city.
Quebec, yes. So San Diego,
Yeah.
Tokyo. Now we are in Xenadu, X version. Okay, next
O-
after
Okay.
6 months means in the March month, so we'll release one more version. Okay, for every six
Okay.
months, like March and the September, they will release their versions.
Okay.
Yeah. So next is ServiceNow has the ability to integrate with other applications as well. Okay, suppose if you
Okay.
want to integrate ServiceNow with Salesforce or some HR Workday, okay, or SAP,
Okay.
some
Okay.
cloud, okay, or else
Okay.
any IBM technologies or anything, we can integrate our
Mm,
ServiceNow. Okay, and
Okay.
ServiceNow also has the mobile applications like
Okay.
Now and Messenger. We have okay, and
Yeah.
we can integrate with uh, web browser and all as well. And we can
Okay.
integrate with Teams, Workplace, Slack, and everything. Okay.
Okay.
And it is one
Oh,
platform, one data model, and one architecture. So ServiceNow, the
oh,
foundation of all the workflows is this ServiceNow platform, and it is one platform, one data model, and it follows the one architecture. Okay.
oh, okay.
And here
Yeah.
in ServiceNow, we have workflows and integrations and predictive analytics.
Okay.
So it has ability to integrate with AI. Okay, we have
Oh,
something called as Gen AI. And then we have
okay.
Now Assist, we have knowledge bases, catalogs, machine learning,
Oh,
okay, everything.
okay.
Okay. So next is suppose in your enterprise, so you have different departments, right? Like HR, IT, finance, customer service, legal, something related to marketing, right? So
Yeah. Yeah.
ServiceNow has applications for all of these departments. Okay. For example, if it is related to HR, we have something called as HRSD. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
HR service delivery. And if it
Oh,
is related to IT, we have something called as ITSM. We have
okay.
ITOM. And if it is related to some marketing, we have something called as analytics. So these
Okay.
all applications are available in ServiceNow. Okay, so this is
Service.
ITSM,
Okay.
ITOM, ITBM. Okay, this is related to application
Okay.
development. So we have many applications in ServiceNow. And next
Service.
is in the ServiceNow platform, we have workflows, catalogs, CMDB, knowledge management, okay, mobile
Management.
related things, and everything. Okay.
Okay.
And it is secure and compliance. So ServiceNow has it is secure as it is cloud-based infrastructure. So it is
Yeah.
secure and compliance. It is scalable and it is
Oh,
multi-instance architecture. We can have like for
oh,
dev we can have an instance. For QA we can have an instance. For production we can have one instance. Okay.
okay. Okay.
So nowadays 95% of the companies are using ServiceNow. Okay, for their works and
Okay.
the world works with ServiceNow. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah. Yeah.